To fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. Now try to search for bradesco app. Then after that, when it appears like this, tap on it. Then now what you have to do is to tap on update over here to get the latest update of the app. So after updating it, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for the app. So when you find it, just use your finger to tap on it for some while, and this is going to pop up. Just tap on the app info and you're going to be in the app info of the app. Now what you have to do is to tap on permissions. Then you make sure every permission is allowed over here. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is still good on, which is very important. Go back. Now tap on notifications and make sure every show notification is still good on over here. Now go back and tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache. Then you tap on the clear cache. So after doing all this, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button to restart your device. So now tap on the restart button, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting or rebooting your device. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.